Hey there, chicken lovers, or maybe you're just chicken curious. If you're dreaming about fresh eggs, funny chicken antics, and a backyard flock that actually works for your lifestyle, you're in the right place. Because today we're talking about the top 5 chicken breeds for beginners. They're easy to care for, friendly, great egg layers, and yes, at the end, I'll share one popular breed you might want to avoid, especially if you're just getting started. First up, the Easter egger. Now, technically, Easter eggers aren't a standardized breed, but what they do bring to the table are colorful eggs and lots of personality. These birds can lay blue, green, olive, even pink tinted eggs, and each one's a little different. They're usually friendly, curious, and gentle. Perfect if you've got kids or just want chickens that don't mind hanging out with you. They also handle confinement well and tend to be quieter than some other breeds, which your neighbors might appreciate. Next up is the golden comet. This hybrid hen is known for one thing, laying eggs like a champ. We're talking 5 to 6 large brown eggs a week, even in their first year. Golden comets are sweet-natured, calm, and incredibly low maintenance. There's a bonus, they start laying earlier than most breeds, around 16 weeks compared to 20 or more for others. If you're in this for the eggs and you want something dependable and beginner friendly, the Golden Comet should be near the top of your list. Number 3. The Buff Orpington. These big, fluffy golden hens are often called the golden retrievers of the chicken world, and honestly, it fits. They're calm, friendly, and they'll follow you around the yard like little feathery dogs. Buff Orpingtons also handle cold weather really well, thanks to their thick plumage. They lay about 3 to 4 brown eggs a week, and if you ever want to hatch chicks, they're great mothers. If you want chickens that are both sweet and productive, Buff Orpingtons are a solid pick. In the number 4 spot, the Barred Rock, also known as the Plymouth Rock. These girls are smart, hardy, and seriously dependable. They lay 4 to 5 large brown eggs a week, and they keep laying well through hot summers and chilly winters. Visually, they've got a gorgeous black and white striped pattern that really stands out in the flock. Barred Rocks are alert, curious, and easygoing. They adapt well to confinement or free ranging, and they tend to get along with other breeds too. Number 5, the Australorp. This breed actually holds the world record for egg laying. One hen laid 364 eggs in 365 days. Now, will all hens do that? Probably not, but you can still expect 4 or 5 eggs per week from a healthy Australorp. They're quiet, gentle, and very well suited to backyard coops. Their glossy black feathers have this beautiful green sheen in sunlight. They're striking birds. If you're looking for something calm, productive, and low fuss, Australorps are a great choice for beginners. Now, let's talk about the one breed I'd avoid if you're just starting out. The Leghorn. Don't get me wrong. Leghorns are amazing egg layers, but they're very flighty, they're high energy, nervous, and they don't like to be handled. These are the birds that will fly over your fence, roost in your neighbor's tree, and scream when you try to pick them up. If your coop isn't fully enclosed, they'll find a way out. Some folks love them, especially experienced keepers who focus only on egg production. But for inexperienced keepers, they can be more stress than they're worth. Now here's a quick bonus tip. Since we're talking breeds, let's touch on roosters. Do you need one for hens to lay eggs? No, you don't. Hens lay just fine on their own. A rooster isn't required unless you want to hatch fertilized eggs. Of course, roosters can be helpful. They'll watch the flock and sometimes protect the hens from predators, but they can also be noisy, territorial, and a bit unpredictable. Now, some breeds like Orpington roosters are more mellow, but others like Leghorns or Rhode Island Reds tend to be more aggressive. If you're brand new to chickens, I suggest starting with hens only. Get comfortable with them, then decide if a rooster fits your setup. Let's do a quick recap. Easter eggers are friendly birds and will give you fun-colored eggs. Golden comets will be champion layers of your flock. Buff Orpingtons are sweet, fluffy, and calm, easygoing birds. Barred Rocks are hardy and adaptable. Australorps are quiet, consistent layers. And Leghorns, while they're great egg layers, they may not be the best choice if you're just starting out because they're skittish and flighty. So, what do you think? Do you agree with this list? Tell us about a breed you absolutely loved or one you would never keep again. Drop it in the comments section. I love reading your chicken stories. And if this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and happy chicken keeping!